5 Best Mechanical Watches. BINSSSAW New 2017 Men Full Automatic Mechanical Watch. BINSSSAW New 2017 Men Full Automatic Mechanical Watch. Tourbillon Luxury Fashion Brand Genuine Leather Man Multifunctional Watches. Brand name BINSSSAW. Gender men. Movement automatic self-wind. Style luxury. Case material stainless steel. Band length 26 cm. Clasp type buckle. Water resistance depth: 3 bar. Men's luxury skeleton black leather watch. Men's luxury skeleton black leather watch. Retro sport automatic mechanical stainless steel wristwatch. Montre Homme Shellhard. Brand name Shellhard. Clasp type buckle. Boxes and cases material no package. Model number men's skeleton leather watch. Band length 24 cm. Case material stainless steel. Movement mechanical hand wind. Winner black gold male clock men Relogios skeleton men's watches. High quality leather band gives you a new classic definition. Skeleton dial design reveals your fashionable point of view. Stainless steel watch case makes the watch more durable. Daily water resistance, not for showering and swimming. Color may not appear as exactly as in real life due to variations between the computer monitors and necktie color difference. Men watches automatic mechanical watch male Tourbillon. Model 8866. Movement automatic mechanical movement. Dial 3D engraving. Glass blue coating. Case alloy steel. Clasp folding clasp with safety. Strap stainless steel. Waterproof 30 mm. Size diameter 40 mm. Thickness 13 mm. Gold and stainless steel men mechanical watch. For signing transparent case 2017 fashion 3D logo engraving gold and stainless steel men mechanical watch. Top brand luxury skeleton. Stainless steel watch case and watch band makes the watch more durable. Skeleton dial design reveals your fashionable point of view. Color may not appear as exactly as in real life due to variations between the computer monitors and necktie color difference. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.